Hello friends, greetings everyone. So Whitney Young says it is better to be prepared for an opportunity and not to have one than having an opportunity and not to be prepared. So that's the exact thing we are doing. We do have a lots of opportunities, but due to the lack of communication skills, lack of English speaking skills, due to the lack of presentation skill, we do miss it out. So that's the exact thing we are going to discuss on this channel. So my name is Ganesh Patil. I am with this channel a crew together. So we are helping you and guiding you for improving your English communication skills. So this is an inauguration video, and further we will be discussing about what the things we are doing further. So what is the actual agenda for running up this channel? To make you fluent in English speaking. So actually it comes when you are in that atmosphere and you are pronouncing and listening that words. So the first is this, then after to create an atmosphere where you can communicate in English. So we are going to create one channel for this sake, and there we will be helping one another. So I'll be discussing all these things further. So dropping of hesitation. So we do hesitate while speaking in English and communicating in English. So further, creating an environment where we will be able to helping one another. Okay, so I will be helping you, you will be helping your colleagues will be helping you, and ultimately you are going to help me a lot. I will tell you how. So here further in this channel, and our group member will be divided in three levels. So the level first will be for the peoples who are unable to understand English and unable to frame the sentences even. And in this case, I was struggling to get these things to understand English when I was admitted in Jalgaon Government Polytechnic Jalgaon. So I was struggling to understand English and frame some sentences. So that was my level 1. Okay, level 2, I will keep people who are able to understand English and able to frame sentences but not able to speak it out. So this is the situation lots of people do face. And the level 3 peoples, I will keep people who can understand English and speak English and can properly communicate in English. Okay, these are the level 3 peoples. So what exactly we are going to do is how we are going to help one another. So level 3 people can help level 2 people to build their speaking skills. Level 2 peoples can help level 1 peoples to build their framing of sentences and understanding of English. So that's the thing we are going to do, and we are using lots of tools. We are going to use lots of tools for building these things up further. Okay, things you have to do now. So join our Telegram channels, and I told you this. Help me to help you. Unless you are unless you are going to join my Telegram channel, I won't be able to classify you. And further, I will tell you one thing that I want you to tell me what problem you are facing right now. Accordingly, you will be classified in level, and accordingly I will be able to guide you properly. So this is your first thing you have to do, and accordingly I will be able to guide you properly. And suggestions, if you are thinking something is going wrong, I may go wrong somewhere, so actually I need your suggestions for improve myself. So this is an important part of this video, and all these things you have to do. Unless and until you do this, I won't be able to help you properly. So I request you to do these things. So thanks for being here. I will be with my second video after your response. I need your kind response and proper response. I want you to comment below what the things you are facing right now. Accordingly I will be giving you a guidance, proper guidance, and accordingly we will be moving further. So thanks a lot for being here. So if you are going to be here further, and you want to grow further in English communication, so subscribe this channel and share it up with your friends, close ones. And one thing I must say you, that I need qualitative pupils here, so not quantitative. But if you are having that desire, that perseverance, and that consistency to build it up, you will crack it and you will be fluent one day in English communication. I guarantee it. Thanks a lot for being here. Share it up and like this video if you do like, and subscribe my channel for further videos and further notifications. Press that bell icon. Thanks a lot.